Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing today? Hope you enjoy your Christmas. Hope you guys enjoy your Christmas. So today I'm making a DIY Jericho crochet hair. So I'm using this braiding expression. This hair is from expression is pre-stressed hair that I got from my local beauty surprise store. So I'm just going to create a loop and take the hair through it and just tie a knot just like so. So this is how I'm going to do it with all the rest of the hair. So if you are new to my channel, you guys are highly welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I really appreciate you guys for coming to watch my video. To my old and new subscribers, you guys are really wonderful. I appreciate you all for always coming to watch my video. So in this video is just basically on DIY Jericho crochet hair that I just decided to share with you guys. I made this for my friend. She saw my video, so she asked me to make this for her. She liked it, so she want me to make a crochet hair for her. So I decided to make this Jericho crochet for her to use for this Christmas. So guys, so I decided to film it for you guys to also see. Maybe you also like to make it for yourself. So that is what I'm just doing, creating a loop, tie it through the thread that I have there. I just create this loop and tie it. That is just what I'm doing. I know everybody can just do this first step is not that difficult. Everybody can do it. So this is what I'm just doing, guys. So the next step now is just for me to start twisting my hair. So if your hair is rough, just try to brush it up to remove any tangle on your hair. So I'm adding a hair butter to add some shine and also try to minimize frizz. So when I'm done with all that, I'm just going to, this is the thread that I'm going to use to tie the hair in the back to the barbecue stick that I'm using. So just put the barbecue stick under the hair, guys. When you under the hair and use your thread to tie it down, you can use a rubber band, but I think this thread is more easier, so you don't have to waste money buying rubber band. So just buy this one, it's even cheaper. So will just work long for you. So I'm just going to tie it to the barbecue stick to secure the hair for falling out when I'm twisting it around. So when I'm done, I will just make it, I will draw it to the end so that the space that I'm going to leave will not be much. I will not leave much space behind when I'm twisting it around the stick. So I hope you guys understand what I'm trying to say. So when you're twisting it around the stick, don't just take it and be wrapping it. Make sure you twist the hair. When you are wrapping it, make sure you also twist the hair. In that way your coils is going to come out very nice and very beautiful. So when you just wrap it and wrap it and wrap it, trust me guys, you won't see any coils. There's nothing that is going to come out, nothing will come out. But when you are taking it and you are twisting it, you are wrapping it, you are twisting it, the coils are going to be pumping, trust me. So this is just what I just did, twisting and wrapping and twisting and all that. So when I get to the end, I'm also going to tie it to secure the ends from losing. So that's what I just did. Everything, when you watch it guys, you will understand it more. So guys, now I want to take out the hair to see. Just be careful while taking out the hair. Lose the thread out and just take it out just like that. It's very simple. If you watch my previous video, you will see it very well. You will see the detail very well. If you have not watched it, I'm going to leave the link at the description box below, so you can go and watch it so that you will know how to carefully take out your crochet hair. So guys, this is the result that I got from this. This is my DIY Jerry coil crochet hair. So I'm just going to show you how you can unravel your twist, or you can separate it. Maybe you want to crochet your hair, you want to separate it. So I'm also going to show you. Make sure you allow your hair to dry very well. That's why I'm not using that one to show you guys how you can separate it, because that one that I just, it's not yet dried. So I make this one about 3 days ago, so this one is very dry now. So that's why let me show you with this how you can separate your hair. So if you separate this one that is not dry, it's going to cause a lot of frizz, so you don't want that. So that's why you don't have to separate it while it is still wet. I hope that makes sense. So if you are new to here, you are seeing this video, seeing my channel on YouTube for the first time, and you find this video so helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon beside it, so that you will get all my video notification, and also click on the bell that say all. In that way you will not miss out of any of my video. Please subscribe to support my YouTube channel. That will really mean a lot to me. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I really appreciate you all for always coming to watch my video. You don't know the kind of joy I feel in my heart. Comment at the comment section below what kind of crochet crochet hair you want me to do. By the grace of God, I will try my best to do it for you guys. Just leave the comment at the comment section below and tell me what type of crochet hair you would like me to do, and I will do it for you guys. If I'm not doing for now, waiting again. So I will really do it for you guys by the grace of God. So I'm just be careful, cut the ends of the hair so that it will not scatter the coils, and be carefully unravel the twist, guys. When you carefully unravel it, your hair is going to remain intact without you messing up the coils. Okay, just be careful, be calm, don't hurry. There's no hurry in life. Where the hurry to go? You want to go shop New Year dress? New Year never reach. So just be calm and just unravel your hair. So guys, this is the result of it. You can see my coil is staying very much intact. You can see how beautiful. I really love the coil pattern of this hair. Really look nice, really look like jerry coil that you can buy in the store. If it did not look like jerry coil, comment at the comment section below and tell me what type of crochet hair is this. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Love my jerry coil. I hope you love it too. Bye. Ciao ciao.